Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews, where I find unique, innovative, and fun products to unbox and review and to see if they actually do what they're supposed to. So here, I'm having some issues mounting a soundbar. Now I can show you real quick on the wall here. So we have a staggered stone fireplace. Now we've already drilled holes to put the TV up, but I don't want to drill holes for a soundbar to mount it. Plus, the staggered stone, it's a real pain in the butt. So what option do I have? Well, actually, Barkan makes a solution where it's a soundbar or universal soundbar mount that you can actually attach to the TV mount. Now, this TV mount that I have up, you may have seen that video, and if you haven't, you can check that out if you're looking for a heavy duty one. But what happens is a lot of them have these different bars on there, and the bars, you can attach this universal mount to it, either above or below. Now, Barkan offers ones that also have a shelf option, or just hook it to a soundbar. And it says it can actually hold up to 14 pounds, which is probably a pretty decent sized soundbar. So that's what's in the box of the Barkan Universal Soundbar, and you'll see I actually installed this on the TV, and I didn't want to take the TV down and do that, but I was able to get my hands behind it because of the staggered stone, and it's not completely against the wall in all spots. So I was able to get my hands a little bit behind it to tighten everything down and mount it below the actual TV. It looks great. It was really easy to use. The products or the actual pieces of this universal mount are really heavy duty. They're not flimsy, not bendable, anything like that. You have to be really strong to do that. So it's also black, and you can adjust the different height as far as how low you want it beneath the TV. But overall, I think if you're looking for a solution to mount a soundbar either above or below a TV without having to drill into a wall, plus what happens if that soundbar goes and then you have screw holes that don't line up anymore? So on stone, not a good idea. But this solution was really, really easy to do, easy to set up. Took maybe, you could probably do it if you have it off the wall, you can probably do it in like 10 minutes or so. But because I was working with the whole unit on the wall, it took me about 25 minutes because I was having some trouble getting my finger behind it to tighten everything down. But once it was all tight, it was good to go. So let me just show you real quick of what it looks like up connected to the actual TV mount. And you can see what that looks like up there, and then this is what the soundbar looks like right beneath it. And then you can kind of run the wires down depending on how low below the TV you have the soundbar, and if you want, you can probably tape to it. My only one real takeaway, because there are different ways that you could mount, there was only two I guess self-tightening nuts in there with the package, a ton of different types of screws and mounts that you can go in the back of the TV, whether it's on a TV mount or actually without a mount, you can do it as well. I would like to just see a couple more nuts that are included, but that's about it. I had ones that I used, and it really worked great. So this here is the Barkan Universal TV mount. Highly recommended. Don't drill anything into your wall. If you have it hanging from your wall, the TV, let's go with this. So simple and so easy to do. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.